More than 600,000 jars of Nutella are produced every single day. But what most people never see is the massive industrial world hidden behind this small jar. Rivers of liquid chocolate, gigantic tanks filled with hazelnuts, and high-speed machines running non-stop 24 hours a day. All of that just to produce one of the most famous food products in the world. In this video from inside the industrial world, we'll take you inside the complete industrial journey of Nutella production. We'll start from the hazelnut farms, then move into giant roasting and grinding factories. And after that, we'll see how enormous amounts of hazelnuts and cocoa are transformed every day into the famous creamy mixture loved by millions around the world. Then we'll enter one of the most satisfying parts of the entire manufacturing process, the ultra-fast filling stage, where massive production lines fill and seal thousands of jars every single minute at unbelievable speed. But in the end, we'll also reveal, why did Nutella become so globally famous? What is really inside its ingredients? And is it actually healthy like some people believe? Get ready, because what you are about to see today is far bigger than just a chocolate spread. Stage 1. Harvesting and preparing the hazelnuts. Everything starts with hazelnuts. In massive farms stretching across huge areas, millions of hazelnut trees are grown for years before they begin producing large harvests. During harvest season, industrial farming machines move between the trees collecting enormous quantities of hazelnuts every day. The scene looks incredible. Machines operating non-stop, huge trucks filled with harvests, and massive quantities transported to processing centers almost every hour. But the hazelnuts journey inside the factory is far more complicated than most people imagine. Once the hazelnuts arrive, they pass through advanced cleaning and sorting systems. Smart industrial machines remove dust, damaged nuts, and unwanted impurities with extremely high precision. Then comes the drying stage, where moisture is removed to preserve the quality of the hazelnuts before roasting. After that, the nuts enter gigantic industrial roasting ovens. And here begins one of the most important stages in Nutella production, the roasting process. Inside these ovens, temperatures are monitored with incredible precision, because even the smallest difference could affect the final taste known around the world. And during this stage, the famous smell of roasted hazelnuts starts spreading throughout the factory. Once roasting is complete, huge quantities of hazelnuts move across long metallic conveyor belts, ready for the next stage. Stage 2. Grinding the hazelnuts and creating the mixture. Inside giant grinding machines, the roasted hazelnuts are transformed into an ultra-smooth paste. As the grinding continues, the texture slowly becomes thicker and creamier. The inside of the factory looks like an entire river of liquid hazelnuts. Massive pipes, huge metallic tanks, and machines that never stop moving. Then the hazelnut paste is transferred into enormous industrial mixing tanks, where ingredients such as cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and oils are added in extremely precise proportions. The giant mixers spin continuously, while the ingredients move through the systems at incredible speed. At this stage, factories rely on highly advanced electronic systems to monitor temperature, mixture density, mixing speed, and ingredient ratios almost every second, because maintaining the exact same taste and texture across millions of jars worldwide is not simple at all. During the mixing process, the flowing chocolate looks like giant rivers moving inside the factory. The entire scene is extremely satisfying to watch, especially with the movement of the huge mixers and the enormous quantities produced every single hour. And once this stage is finished, the mixture becomes ready for packaging. Stage 3. Filling and packaging. Empty jars move along extremely long conveyor belts. Then the ultra-fast filling process begins. Thousands of jars are filled every minute with incredible precision. No extra, no less. Every single jar must contain the exact same amount. Then comes the sealing stage. Lids move at unbelievable speed, while machines tightly seal every jar automatically. Immediately after that, the jars pass through highly advanced inspection systems. Ultra-fast industrial cameras check filling level, jar shape, lid sealing, and label placement. And any jar with even the smallest defect is automatically removed within fractions of a second. Afterward, the jars move into the packaging stage. Massive robotic arms organize the jars into shipping boxes automatically. Then they are transferred into gigantic warehouses, before being shipped to stores across the world. In some large factories, production lines operate 24 hours a day with almost no interruption, because global demand for Nutella is absolutely enormous. But the real question is Nutella actually healthy? Despite Nutella's massive popularity, controversy around its ingredients still continues today. This product contains high amounts of sugar, fats, and calories. Because of this, some experts warn against consuming it excessively on a regular basis, especially with large daily consumption. But on the other hand, millions of people around the world love its unique creamy taste. And that is exactly why Nutella became one of the most famous food products ever created. Today, millions of jars are sold every year across dozens of countries worldwide, and it has become a global icon in the world of chocolate spreads. From hazelnut farms, to giant roasting ovens, to rivers of flowing chocolate, to millions of jars reaching stores every single day. This is the real industrial journey behind Nutella. A complete world of technology, high-speed machines, and gigantic factories that most people never see. And the next time you open a jar of Nutella, you may never look at it the same way again. On Inside the Industrial World, we always take you behind the scenes to uncover the hidden industrial world silently operating around us every day. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And tell us in the comments, what product do you want to discover the manufacturing process of next?